In this video, we'll delve into how we helped our client revolutionize the energy procurement industry. Our client, a key player in the energy sector, specializes in predictive procurement services for electricity and gas across the eastern USA and the Midwest. Navigating the unpredictable world of energy prices was not an easy task. There were a myriad factors affecting the prices, right from supply and demand imbalances to weather fluctuations. Our client needed accurate forecasts for short-term, medium-term, and long-term horizons spanning 14 days, 3 months, and 1 year to empower strategic procurement decisions. To enhance precision, we harnessed third-party data sources for historical power prices and real-time weather data, ensuring our forecasts remained responsive to market changes. We engineered a sophisticated forecasting model leveraging advanced algorithms, ARIMA, LSTM, and Profit, and integrated premium data sources to fine-tune our models, tailoring them for different time horizons, namely short-term 14 days, medium-term 3 months, and long-term 1 year. Our algorithms have been really good at predicting accurately for all 3 time periods. This helps our clients' customers make smarter and cheaper decisions when buying energy. The advanced analytics delivered by our solution provide a profound comprehension of market trends and price fluctuations, enabling the client to offer a more comprehensive and valuable service to their customers.